observe how often customers go here, how do they pay, and what kind of customers usually go here.
Today, we interviewed some customer.
11 sir, ang saan mo tigadlaw dire sir?
Mga Friday weekend.
Friday weekend. Kung sa inanang adlaw sir, mga unsa pong orasa mga adto dire sir?
Mga midnight kay mamaiting dula na mo.
O din dalaw.
Alarme
Tapos kung mga adlaw mo dire sir, unsa pay paliton niya?
Mga pang snack, midnight snack. Example kuan, kanto, chiria, mga soft drinks, atlong pa nila.
Kung mo to sir, for karon sir, nga adto gud to. Unsa way gusto niyo pa itong adto mga adto?
Ice cream na lang dyan.
Ice cream lang mga pabugnaw no. Tapos kung mga product din sir, wala mo lain mga paliton nga na ragid. Mga pagkaon na no, mga pabugnaw-bugnaw. Okay sir, salamat sir.
Now, we proceed to the conclusion.
In conclusion, customers at 7-Eleven tend to prefer buying food like cup noodles, on-the-go foods, and junk foods over essential items like deodorants or perfumes. The store serves a wide range of customers from teenagers to adults. It is also a common stop for people who bike, cycle, or jog as they often come into Grab for something to drink. Payments are made either in cash or through online methods, providing convenience for all types of shoppers. So if you want to buy some drinks and on-the-go foods, drop here at 7-Eleven Diplahan, located in Diplahan, Zamboanga, Sibugay.
Buy now at 7-Eleven Diplahan.
Buy now at 7-Eleven.
Buy now at 7-Eleven.
Buy now at 7-Eleven.
Buy now at 7-Eleven Diplahan.